how to download ads from Facebook ad library. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open the ad library right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for some ad here. Say for example, we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and play this just like so, and then I'm going to right click the video, and then we're going to go ahead and inspect it. Now you can see in this line that there is something here. It says HTTPS, so this is actually the link of the video. So you're going to double click it, and then it's going to highlight it. Now we're going to right click, copy, and then we're going to open a new tab and paste it here. So something like this, we're going to go ahead and click this and then download it, and then you can go ahead and save it wherever you want. So there is the video. Now I can play it just like so. And that is how to download ads from Facebook ad library.